Okay, launch, land, and leverage. I'm telling you, I, I'm telling you, I'm speechless. I never would have anticipated. I never would have anticipated the amount, the wealth of knowledge to really build out. This is Dee, I love you. I love your heart. I love your tenacity. I love the wisdom, the strategy, the guidelines, everything that you're giving us. I'm telling you, I have never experienced any type of growth strategy like this. And I know that we're just focusing on staffing, but really, this can be applied to any. Listen, this should be for every entrepreneur. Maybe you should open this up a little bit, because anyone who wants to be an entrepreneur needs this kind of foundation. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. This is not just for staffing. This is for any and every entrepreneur. You want to start a business, you need a solid foundation. And I'm talking about I'm not talking about your homemade, mom pop, something, homemade that looks like, something I'm talking about something professional. I'm talking about something that is equivalent, so that you can present yourself like some of the top businesses in the world, some of the top businesses in the country. You need your vision. If your vision is just, you're just starting a business and, I'm a sole proprietor, I'm going to encourage you to think bigger, because this has allowed me to think so much bigger. It has allowed me to enlarge my vision, and Dee has the knowledge to give you that framework. She has the knowledge to give you that foundation. So I want you to think about that, Dee. This has been absolutely phenomenal. I am happy and privileged to be a staffingpreneur, to be a part of a great community. I also encourage you to be a part of the community. Great community of people. You need to lock arms with people who have a vision, who have a business idea, who want to go higher than where you are right now. You need to be in a community of people. So I think that this would definitely be great for you. Thanks so much, Dee. I look forward to working with you.